Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Service Pack 1 is installed and you have a stable internet connection. Once done, log into an administrator account so you can change system components. Open Control Panel, then System and Security. This gets you to the Update Hub quickly. Click Windows Update and choose Check for updates immediately. This fetches the latest definitions and platform fixes that Windows Defender needs. This early check avoids partial installs and saves time. You now download and install the necessary packages. In Windows Update, select Important Updates and any Microsoft Security Essentials or Defender Definition updates, then click Install. Watch for prompts requiring a reboot, and if one appears, restart promptly to complete file registration. Make sure to let the install finish without forcing power off. Interruptions corrupt definitions. Once the system restarts, run Windows Update again to capture any secondary updates. This two-pass approach ensures full and consistent protection. You finish by verifying Defender is updated and functioning. Open Windows Defender or Microsoft Security Essentials, check the definitions date, and run a full system scan to confirm operation. If updates fail, download definitions manually from the Microsoft Update Catalog and install them. This bypasses update service issues. If problems persist, review Windows Update History or Event Viewer for error codes, then retry updates. Make sure system time is correct. Incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.